Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Raimundo here. Today we are going to learn about will and will be. If you didn't know about it, I will explain it for you in this video. So keep watching, let's get started. Simple future tense. The simple future tense is a tense used to describe the events that haven't happened yet or will happen in the future and will end in the future. For the first, we will discuss what will is. Will is used to describing something that will happen in the future, also used when making a quick and spontaneous decision. Let's look at the example. I will join you for lunch. I will buy drinks and bread for now. Now, what about will be? The word will be is used for the first type of conditional sentence, where in the future this event might happen. Like the following example. I will be smart next week. She will be happy if I give her some money. Okay, next, let's see how the abbreviation of will forms. I will, you will, we will, they will, he will, she will, it will. It will is used for nouns or animals. For the abbreviation, we can use I'll, you'll, will, they'll, he'll, she'll, it'll. And for the negative, we usually use will not as an example. I will not, you will not, we will not, they will not, he will not, she will not, it will not. For the abbreviation itself, we can say I won't, you won't, we won't, they won't, he won't, she won't, it won't. Then, for the interrogative sentence, we only need to put the word will in front of or at the beginning of the sentence. Look at the following examples. Will I? Will you? Will we? Will they? Will he? Will she? Will it? Okay, you have learned how the arrangement of positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. Now, we will see how the shape of will be is. Basically, the will and will be are almost the same shape, and we just need to add be after the word will. Will is used to stating an event that will come but spontaneously without a plan. And while will be, it states something that will happen in the future and has been planned in advance. This is a positive form of will be. If you see there is no significant change in this sentence, we just need to add the word be after the word will. Let's look at the negative. For the negative, we can see that there is a slight addition of the word not after be, and the brevity is not much different from the previous will. We just need to add the word be after not. Then, how is the interrogative sentence from will be? Okay, for the interrogative sentence from will be, you only need to put the word will at the beginning of the sentence, and then put be after the subject. Like this. Will you be? Will we be? Will they be? Will he be? Will she be? Will it be? In addition, let's look at the formulas of will and will be, so as not to misuse them. Will. For positive sentence, subject plus will plus verb 1. For negative sentence, subject plus won't or will not plus verb 1. For the interrogative sentence, will plus subject plus verb 1 and move to will be. For positive sentence, subject plus will be plus adjective, and negative sentence, subject plus will not be plus adjective. For the last one, interrogative sentence, will plus subject plus be plus adjective. And now you have seen my explanation of what will and will be. I'm going to show you a conversation video to find out how to use will and will be in the conversation. After that, there will be questions that you have to work on. Are you ready? Okay, here we go! Hi mate, how's it going? Pretty good. What you will be doing tomorrow morning? I will be in the class tomorrow morning. Wow, your teacher will be happy with you. Yeah, he will. Okay Toto, have a nice one. You too. Now is the time to do the exercise. Complete the following sentence with the word will or will be. Pay attention to questions 1 to 4. Then write down the answer. I'll give you answer the questions for 15 seconds, starting from now. Okay, let's see the answer. Number 1. I'm sure we will pass the exam. So, the answer is will. Good answer. Number 2. I don't think the test will be very difficult. For question number 2, we use will be because they will be holding a test soon. For number 3, she will be angry if I'm late. Here also uses will be. Good choice. And as for the last, they will come here soon. For question number 4, the answer is will. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope this video can be useful for you. See you!